please use star code Akeila when buying Robux or Premium. These are all of my social media accounts. Enjoy the video! Hi everyone, it's Akeila. Welcome back to my channel. And it is 3 a.m. as I'm recording this, so I'm sorry if I sound all types of crazy, but of course Bloxburg updated again this year for the 4th of July, which now makes this version 0.10.8. I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and read the update log. So it says, re-added Boomers fireworks, added ribs, skewers, and slushies, added outdoor and garden themed furniture and items, added ability to quickly eat food by holding the eat button, added ability to give trays, added wicker material, and last but not least, major bug fixes. There probably are some secrets hidden in this update, but again, it's 3 a.m. and I'm not about to start checking for secrets. But if we come across any, of course, I'll let you know. And if you come across any, feel free to enlighten us in the comments. And with that being said, let's get started. Boomers Fireworks is located once again right across the street from Mike's Motors. Just like last year, the sparklers are definitely still my favorite, and you can only get these at Boomers Fireworks. All of the fireworks that you purchase here can be found in your inventory. We have the mini rockets, the standard firework, the standard confetti poppers, the colorful confetti poppers, the huge firework, and last but not least, the fountain cone. Okay, so I loaded in my empty plot, and now we can take a look at all of the new stuff in build mode. Okay, so I went ahead and laid out all of the new items that we got, so let's do a little overview. So first off, we have the confetti poppers as well as the fireworks. Oh yes, the new wicker material. So if we just go here, materials, material girl. Okay, no one says that anymore. Here it is. Wicker. We got a really cute outdoor wicker furniture set, and I love me a little matching set, and it's so cute. You can customize the sectional piece by piece to fit your needs, and I think that's really awesome. There's an ottoman as well as a left and right side. There's a centerpiece, which is just straight, and then we have the corner piece too. There's a matching wicker armchair, an end table, and a coffee table. For Bloxburg, you can purchase the Freezy slush machine. And then we have all this food, so we have some barbecue ribs, some vegetable skewers, and some meat skewers. We also just have a more simple fire pit, which is also really cute. Okay, I'm gonna turn these off because there's a lot of snap, crackling, and popping going on. Much better. So let's check out the slushy machine. This is so cool. So we can click fill, and then we have 4 different flavors. So we have blue raspberry, luscious lemon, sour apple, and cool cola. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the blue raspberry. It kind of took a while, not gonna lie, but let's take blue raspberry. Oh my gosh, it actually like went down a little bit too. And here's our little cup. It says Freezy Frozen Slush on the cup. It's a little plastic cup. That is so cute. Oh yeah, we can't forget that we can give trays away to people. So let's actually let's take a portion first. So here's our portion of ribs. And we also can take these. And let's take one of these too. But I need to give the tray to somebody. Look who decided to show up. Of course, I bring some food around, and August is here. But thank you for coming. So let's go ahead and give. You can choose just one item, or you can give them the whole tray. He's gonna take that. That's so cool. That's definitely gonna come in handy. Put your little corn on the side and Okay, August, you can go now. This kid. Okay, so I want to check out these skewers. Fun fact, you can actually grill the skewers, or you can make them on the stovetop. So that's a little secret. I don't know if it's really a secret, but I figured that out. So that's fun. While I keep chowing down on this food, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the stuff. So we have this whole new canopy as well as this pergola, and they can both be resized with the scale tool. They also have these 2 new umbrellas, which should be so cute over your new little sectional or your pools or hot tubs too. Here are the wind chimes, and they actually make sounds, and you can also bump into them. So yeah, they just start going crazy. We have 3 new path lights, and then we have a porch swing. I thought it was actually gonna like swing back and forth, but unfortunately it doesn't do that. And last but not least, we have the park bench. Simple but cute. And let's just sit on the new furniture as well. Looks really good. I love this. And that's pretty much everything. And we can't forget the option to eat fast. So hold down the eat button, and now it says eat all. And all of our food is gone. So let's go ahead and make it nighttime so we can light these bad boys up. Okay, so it's 10 p.m. and we have the option to light the fuse on just these fireworks or all the fireworks on your plot. So let's go ahead and just, I don't know, what do I want to do? Let's just grab everything separately. So these are just the confetti cannons, which we've seen before. Not the cannons, the confetti poppers. So we have the standard fireworks. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The fountain cone. I love this one. And then we have the mini rockets. And last but not least, the huge fireworks. Here it goes. And those are all the fireworks. If you weren't aware, they do actually respawn after they light up. So yeah, just a little fun fact. Okay everyone, well that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and let me know your thoughts about this update in the comments. And if you're celebrating the 4th of July, please make sure to be safe and have fun. Do not forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Once you are subscribed, click the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.